I made this yummy coconut chicken curry sauce. If you have all your ingredients prepped, you can finish this meal in less than 10 minutes. So for this meal, I used coconuts, I used carrots, yellow, green and red bell peppers, spring onions. I washed the coconut after bringing it out, sliced into small pieces, put into the blender and blended it properly. I now use my sieve to sieve out the coconut milk. To get this quantity of coconut milk, I blended twice, then sieved out. I sliced my bell peppers, my spring onions, carrot, basically prepped everything I needed for this. I shredded my chicken. I deboned my chicken and shredded it. Now to the meal proper.